I forgot how to show how to use a gel pen or something like a Posca pen to create the splatter effect. So let me show you how you would do that. You would do it by just creating, and I need to shake this more. Let me put the top back on. You would do it by just doing a bunch of tiny little dots. Shake up the ink. Technically, this isn't a Posca. It's some other brand. I don't know what it is. I think it's Molotov. Molotov. And you need to push it down sometimes, get the ink to flow. There we go. And you just do these little dots. But the issue is, it's not going to create the exact effect. I already splattered this, so you see some splatters. So let me do it in a different black area. And you can see here, a real splatter has different sized and different shaped splatters. Super tiny, some are long, some are medium. This, they're all even. So to fix that, you just want to do some a little bigger. Okay. And just do a few. And you could even, I wouldn't really do them in this corner. They look better in these corners here where the Komodo dragon is coming into the scene. So I'll just do them over top of these. But you do some medium, tiny, super tiny, and then even super tiny after that. You just try a few. Now the nice thing is, if you do them and they're all looking the same size and evenly spaced out, that's going to start to look like a pattern and is not going to look as good. You want it to be about as random as you see here. And even do some coming off of the dragon's outline. Would look cool. Some of them can be a little more scratchier or more splattery. They don't have to be, you do not want them to look like perfect dots. Okay? Now, what's nice is you can do as many as you want, and if they start to look too perfect, too round, too much like a pattern, too even, you don't want that. You want it to be more random. So if you mess up, what's nice is you just come back with the black ink marker and cover them up. If you don't wait till it dries though, those were pretty much already dry. If you don't make sure they're already dry, then it's gonna blend into gray. So you want them to dry first. No, those aren't dry yet. Let's see. I don't recommend smudging them. Just be patient, unlike me, recording this video now for you, and just let them dry and come back and cover up the ones you want, or if you have big ones like this, just break them into two. Okay. So that's how you can use, see, that looks pretty cool. That's how you can use the splatter effect. And as it goes out, just like a real splatter, look, they get less and less and smaller until there's basically hardly any splatter or no splatter on the edges. So you can do the same thing over here. It's like a couple tiny ones far apart. You want back here, there's more. Some of them are bigger and they're closer together, but still randomly spread out. And then they get more spread out and tinier until they disappear. So that's how you can use a Posca or a gel pen or any sort of white paint pen if you don't have the actual ink. Like I said, if you mess up or you don't want something there, just cover it up with the black again. Oh, and look at this. I opened this pen and the ink dripped straight onto the face. He got a big black pimple on his face. I wanted to get rid of that, so I went over it with white. But guess what? It wasn't dry and it made a gray. So now I'm waiting, and I'm going to go over it with white ink again later once it's dry to cover that up. So that's nice with black and white ink. You can just go over them with each other to correct any mistakes you have. If you have the white ink, of course, or white paint pen. And if you can't, then sometimes it's like, okay, well, I got a gray. It actually wouldn't be a bad idea to make a lot of him gray. Maybe the scales will pop out white. That could look cool. So with ink, where you just draw back and forth on top of each other, you can have a lot of fun, even just figuring out how to correct your mistakes. All right, hopefully that helps you with the splatter pattern if you just have a white paint pen or white gel pen.